Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2017 Mazda 2 1.5 Sport Navigation. This car's finished in Meteor grey metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, chrome grille surround, body coloured door mirror with side repeater, rear privacy glass, shark fin roof aerial, (16-inch) diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with polka dot centre panels, to the rear passenger area, so you've got room for 3 passengers in the rear of the car. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors, into the rear load area we've got the 60/40 split rear seat. This car will come with a load cover. Moving around to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. This car's also got keyless entry. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror controls, and this car's also got electric folding mirrors. On the dashboard you've got the control to turn off the stop start. You've got the lane departure, traction control that you can turn off, and also the tyre pressure monitor reset. Controls for the media system, so the big dial is to select which function you want to use, volume button, and then the navigation, home button and audio. Five-speed gearbox, USB plug-in, auxiliary port, 12-volt plug-in for accessories, and the SD card holder for the navigation system. You've got a CD player, then you've got the audio system, so you've got the heater system with manual air conditioning, and then you've got the display, so that's the navigation. Into the home page, turn the dial to select which function you're wanting to select, into the audio, then you've got the FM, AM and DAB radio stations, you've got Bluetooth connectivity, then you've got the USB ports, CD player, auxiliary ports, automatic headlamps, rain sensitive wipers. This car's done 34,580 miles. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting phone calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. And on the other side of the steering wheel you've got the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. Moving back outside the car, identification plate that tells it's the Mazda 2 1.5 90 PS engine. It's the Sport Nav in petrol. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.